I thank God for giving me one more opportunity to meet you all, my lovely angels. How are you all? Hope you all are healthy and happy. And all those who have come for the first time to our channel, I welcome you all. So today we will be making our ninth craft out of paper tubes. So let's get started. तो यहाँ पे हमें ब्लू कलर का क्राफ्ट शीट लेना है और उसे हम ऐसे कट करके फोल्ड करके पेपर ट्यूब्स बना लेंगे। We require total 24 paper tubes like this. Now let's take a piece of black chart paper and start sticking paper tubes one by one like this. Let's continue the same. Now let's take A4 size red craft sheet, fold them, cut and roll and make paper tubes like this. और अब हमें यहाँ पे इसे रख के इसे मार्क कर लेना है और उसके हिसाब से कट करके ऐसे चारों तरफ रेड पेपर ट्यूब्स को हम प्लेस कर देंगे। Now let's cut the red paper tubes into 64 small pieces like this. I am showing two ways of sticking these paper tubes. First is apply the glue direct on the paper tubes and then place them. The second idea is apply the glue on the sheet and then place the paper tubes. Whichever is easy, we can follow. Now once again let's take blue craft sheet, fold and cut them, and let's turn them into paper tubes like this. And now let's mark these blue paper tubes into 1 centimeter and cut them accordingly. We require a total of 64 small paper tubes like this. Now finally, let's start designing our craft. We require a few sticky stones like this. Now let's start sticking them one by one with the help of white glue. So once we complete the design, this is how it will look. Now let's cut the extra sheet Now let's fold this extra black chart paper and apply white glue and fix it like this. Now let's make the base for this vase. We require a total of 25 paper tubes like this, and now let's start fixing them one by one like this. Now let's cut the extra. Turn it and fix it like this. So finally our beautiful flower vase is ready. Let me know in the comment box below how was this video. We can use this flower vase as a table decor or as a wall decor. So let's make one and decor our homes or gift it to our loved ones. Do let me know in the comment box below आपको ये paper tubes का flower vase कैसा लगा. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was useful. I pray and wish that you all stay healthy and happy. See you all in my next video. Till then, take care.